Oh, he's not that big at all. He's a tiny fucker. Oh, maybe it's a little bit bigger than I thought. Oh.
A pan fry.
Oh.
Well, a little bit bigger than a pan fry. It's an alright size.
I don't know whether to keep him or not. He's got 2 fins, but oh no, just one. Fuck, he swallowed that hook right back.
I did say you gotta let him run. Let him take it. He took it.
Well, he's not a huge one, but I'm gonna throw him on the ice anyway. There we go.
Whoa.
That line hardly hit the bottom. He was on it.
My foot is soaked.
Let's see if we can do that again.